Nancy Drew again. Okay? We have a completely different series today. But before that, I'll give you a little hint of what type of series I'm starting. Of course, you already see this. I've done this also in the book tutorial, and if you remember what kind of preface front it has, you of course remember what kind of name I set to this set. And if you see the letters, of course you see. Or else if you have the book set, you of course see. Okay. Now, this series is written by Enid. Yeah, you guessed it already. Of course, you guessed it. It's the Secret 7 series. Okay. So, but before starting with the series, I'll tell you a few more books that Enid wrote. We have the Find Outers series. I don't have that. We have the Famous 5 series. I have that. And then we have the Mallory Towers. I have that. I'm also going to review that in a close by day. And we have St. Clair's, have that. And a few more like the Happy Day series. You know that. Tweedle, Meddle. No. So, and we have a lot more series like She Have Made Salt, Naughty's Girl, and many other series. I can't remember the name that much. There are series. And she was also voted the best woman author of kids books in the world, and of course the third best woman author, because first place in kids author books, but in woman authors, like, you have other books, right? Okay, so now let's start. So I take this here, you get a clear view right here. Yeah. So this is the series. Side view, side view, front view. And we have the logo, Secret 7. Yeah. Now let's start. So wait a second, I have to slowly take this book out. You see, you have to be careful when you're taking out books, and I don't think these are fit right into the box, so you can't take it one by one. Come on. Yeah. So here we have out. Yeah. Here we have the first book. Wait a second, it's better to keep the books out, I guess. Yeah, because or else it would be hard for me to take them out. Yeah, so I keep this like this. So we have the first book, The Secret 7. It has no name, it is just The Secret 7. Get a front view? Yeah, so I'll keep it here so you see. Okay. Now, next we have Secret 7 Adventure. Then we have green screen. Well done, Secret 7. So this book set is about, I'll tell you that in the end, okay? So then we have Secret 7 on the Trail. Secret 7 on the Trail was the first book I read in the Secret 7 series when I was 7 years old. Actually, it was, 5 years ago. And then we have Go Ahead, Secret 7. Then we have Good Work, Secret 7. And then we have Secret 7 Been Through. This is the second book I read in the Secret 7 series when I was 7, same. And then we have 3 Cheers, Secret 7. Secret 7 Mystery. Then we have Puzzle for the Secret 7. Get this way, keep it like this, because you don't want to see the empty box. And then we have Secret 7 Fireworks. Then we have Good Old Secret 7. This is my second favorite series in Enid's book sets. And then we have Shock for the Secret 7. Look Out, Secret 7. Is it look out of the door or look out? And then we have in the end Fun for the Secret 7. This is the last book. Now for a little information. Take these books out and keep it here and take the book set. Hope you see. Now I'll tell you a bit about the book set. This book set consists of 15 books, and there are many interesting stories in all those 15 books. This book set consists of the Secret 7 Young Sleuths group. We have Peter is the leader, and his sister Janet, and Jack, Barbara, Pam, Colin, and George. So I've read this full series. Actually, even though I've read this once, I have this very sincere habit in watch my book cupboard tutorial. All those books in that book cupboard have been read either 3 times or 2 times by myself. This set individually have been read 2 times, and the Harry Potter set is the set that was read. All the 7 books were read 5 times. That was the set that I read the most, and many other sets. So each and every book in this book cupboard was read by me either 3 times or 2 times. So watch all my other videos. I'll review these books to you too. Watch all my other videos, the book cupboard tutorial, Harry Potter, Arabian Nights, blah 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 blah. Then watch them. And then you can I'll be reviewing these books in order. You can't tell me what books. In the Roald Dahl set, I told you to read what book you want, but this thing it's from 1 to 15, so I have to do it in order. And I'm going to do many other book sets. So watch my videos and subscribe, like, and click the bell icon so you get any other video. And watch the Chronicles of Narnia set. In the end, I've told a funny thing that I did in my grandfather's phone. Okay, watch that too. Bye! See you next day, young sleuths. Hope you get another detective to find.